Hello guys, today I'm back with my two of exhaust fans. The one is the Crompton Ventilus 250mm which I showed you unboxing, and this is my 3-year-old G logo Crompton Greaves Brisk Air 200mm. These both are fans from Crompton. This I've explained it to you, you have seen the performance. This is also very nice guys. Actually this always we can use in bathrooms. The bathrooms can have this also, but these are for big bathrooms and the bathrooms which have a smell and which are used very often. This is in my own bathroom. I have removed here to just show you this video. So guys, just see this. First I will show you its operation and then we will talk about it. See, I have kept it. Guys, I will connect this cord. Just a minute. So see, I will start it. It started. Guys, this also has awesome speed, no problem with this. See, it's settled. If I will lift it up, this also have a nice airflow. This is also the any sound. Guys, this is also awesome. You can feel the airflow. See this. The blade quality is nice. Actually, today this video main is for the comparison and reviews of these both fans. I will compare both of them, and for where which fan is there I will tell you completely in detail. Just wait and see. Switch it off now. Guys, see. This is the motor label. I don't know if you are able to see. Just check it. It's 1300 RPM. Sweep is 200 mm. Volts is 220. This RPM. It's 30 watts. It's not too much. It's very nice actually. For small bathrooms, I recommend you to buy this. But there is a disadvantage with this also. That advantage Ventilus has. So guys, in this part, this label, this part actually goes inside the wall. No, actually whatever it is, if in your case wall, window, anything, these are the blades. Okay, and this is the frame. This can be removed, and from here the wire comes out. This is nice, but actually this is available in 3 sizes: 150mm, 200mm and 250mm. All three are available now, and this is 200mm from that. This is Brisk Air model. This is Ventilus. Ventilus is different. Ventilus model is also from Crompton only. This is the second type of ventilation fan made by Crompton. This has come from the Crompton era, from after 2015. Actually, in this 150mm will be available for you, 200mm also easily available, and this is 250mm. This is discontinued by Crompton. I don't know why this is discontinued. Actually, Ventilus 250mm is much better than Brisk Air 250mm. This thing is really nice, awesome. I have used it very nicely. This blade quality is much better than that of Brisk Air 250mm. Guys, this is a bit difficult for you to get in the market, but I am saying that if you don't get this one, just go for second option as Brisk Air 250mm if you want this size only, or else if you want 200mm for your small bathroom, then you can get this Brisk Air, or there is Ventilus 200mm. Both are good in 200mm. I liked more Brisk Air in 200mm mode because I have one more same G logo, that is 2010s. Since last 10 years I am using it and no problem yet, no blade problem, nothing. That's working really awesome. I will show you that some other day. See this. I'm using it continuously last 3 years. Actually guys, this is Crompton Greaves Limited. This is written is called as G logo. This is from the era from 2010 to 2015. After 2015 it was changed, and here now in present new ones, here only Crompton is written like this. Okay, so this one is from G logo era and I bought it in 2017. Actually that era was till 2015 only. After that they were not continued, but in some shops there was still other stock, and I asked the owner to provide me with this, so I bought this. G logo brisk air were really awesome. It's not that Crompton now present one are not awesome, but G one were really awesome. Now this is really good. I will show you the Ventilus now. Guys, those who haven't seen the Ventilus unboxing video on my channel, please go and check that video. That is also really nice, and comment. This is my Ventilus. The bathroom for which I have taken this is big, so I have to put this one. Actually, compared to brisk air, this Ventilus is good in 250 mm model only. I have checked the both, and this is also discontinued. This Ventilus 250 mm is discontinued, and that person was having some old stock, so I asked him to provide me that because I want to collect something rare, which is not there now. See this. This is really powerful as compared to 200 mm that I showed you. This is really very powerful. You can feel the air till here. See the speed, the sound. If I lift it up, it's really awesome. See this. This is looking very nice. See now this one label now. Ventilus 250 mm ventilating fan 1000. Both have the same RPM, but due to the big blades and this, it has nice airflow, if you understand. See guys, it's working. If I will keep it like this, then it will not leave much air. Okay, it's completely safe. Just for showing, I have put it like this. See this. It's looking really awesome. This is the motor. Actually, if you use the fan more now, then such bush oil comes out, and this is nice. This is not bad. Here is the capacitor. Here are the wirings coming here. So I will just stop it. See this guys. Blade quality is also good. These are the wings. Okay. Actually, your bathroom should be completely air circulated. If it will not be there now, then these wings will not open. And if you guys want, you can remove these one from here. I'm not removing it now. You can remove it here, guys. This model is discontinued. It's okay, no problem, but you can go for brisk air 250 mm. That is also really good. I would suggest you to buy that. That's not bad. This is for people say that this 250 mm are for kitchen. This is a completely false statement. It is not for kitchen. It is for kitchen when there is a chimney already there in kitchen, or there is a heavy duty fan in kitchen. Example, take any chimney, and if you put it in the kitchen, chimney is not able to extract all this smoke. So 90% of smoke, if it is extracted from chimney, then the 10% smoke left out in the kitchen. So this fan is used at that time to extract that 10%. Guys, if you only use this and no chimney and no other exhaust fan in the kitchen, I'm surely guaranteeing you that it will not last more than 6 months, because it cannot take much pressure and it's plastic. For that you need to go for trans air if you want only one exhaust fan in the kitchen. Viewers, for those who have chimney, this ventilation fan is really best, or go for bathroom purpose of this fan. Okay, so get this, and never install this only fan in the kitchen. It will not survive, it does not have much power. This is an important point. Please note it and understand. And if no problem in kitchen for ventilation, you use this also, this is okay. But the point is that if you use a plastic fan in kitchen, there should be a main supporter like the chimney or a big exhaust fan metal. By the way, for bathroom it's best. So guys, if you ask me which I should buy, then 250 mm go for Briskair, and 200 mm you can go either for Briskair or for Ventilus. Actually, Briskair is best in both of them, but now as Ventilus is discontinued, Briskair will continue its journey, and it was famous for many years. Briskair was there in box logo era also. I just purchased the early 2010s Briskair, the other one which I have. That one is also really awesome. That was the beginning first month of the G logo era. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video. Whatever doubts you have, any questions you have, please put in the comment section, and stay home, stay safe, fight with corona by sitting at home, don't go out of your home. That's all. Bye guys, I will be back with my one more videos very soon.